Hello everyone and welcome back to Happy Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add bots to your Discord. So first and foremost, you want to go to your browser and then go to a bot website for Discord bots. Now I'm in the official Discord's website and I am going to first make sure I log in to my Discord account. So I'm just going to do this real quick, give me a second. Now the quickest way you can log in to any Discord account is go to your mobile phone, right? After you're in your mobile phone, go to your Discord application that you want to use. For my case, it's going to be this one. And then all you want to do is scan and log in. Now I'm just going to do that real quick. So we're done logging in. Now over here, as you can see, we're connected to our server. Select any bots you want. We're just gonna put 02 over here and then click on invite. It's gonna ask for which server. I'm gonna click test server and then press on continue, authorize, and then beep boop, I am a human, and then done. Now if I open my Discord, as you can see, we got 02 right over there. So yeah, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.